Hey guys, it's Charlie back from Fightfast. We got another kissing match, another street fight reaction with the serious case of getting too close. But Fightfast actually has some news as well that I'll explain in the video. Let's get into the video. Alright, we have this guy in a red hat. Arms down, like they always do. Look at that. Always, one of the biggest things we always talk about is keeping your distance. You don't want to get in a street fight, guys. You do not want to get in a street fight. I don't know how. Egos, man. Everybody put your ego to the side. This fight ain't going to do anything. Let's say they're fighting over what steak's better. They just got out of a restaurant. They both had some steak. And one had a New York, one had a ribeye. I don't know. There's like 99% of the time there's no reason to get in a street fight because most likely your opinion's not going to change, especially when you're older. So if that guy in the red hat thinks the New York steak's the best steak he's ever ate, it doesn't matter how hard that guy in the polo hits him. He's going to still think that's the best steak in the world. I'm just using that for a wild, crazy example, but you get what I'm saying. Like, fighting almost never does anything, but sometimes you're going to be in a situation where it's just, somebody's just going to have an opinion or they're not going to like you, or they want to start beef, or they want to look cool. It doesn't matter. But you don't want to be in a street fight, but we're here. So if you are going to get in here, I don't know why everybody has to kiss. Look how close this guy is. And now look, he's even putting his hands in like his throat area. We got sent this video again, so I'm watching it in real time with you guys. They did a couple kisses and the guy didn't like it, so he pushed him back. Right there. Let me rewind it a little bit. He's starting to clench his fist a little bit. That's a warning sign. I don't know how much you should take. I guess always take warning signs, but I don't know because they already did a shoving match. They already did a kissing match. Nobody's hands are up, but he is starting to clench. You know what I mean? So he is getting more and more angry. His voice looks like it's getting. There's no audio on here, guys, but it does look like you could tell by his face muscles that he is yelling more and more. He walks back up to him, and I'm gonna guess he's laughing now. He's like, "You ain't gonna do nothing." Look, yeah, and he did the little. Yeah, I made you flinch, man. I made you flinch. Yeah, I made your boy flinch. Yeah, I don't know. Just ego. That's all that video looked like was ego the whole time. But remember, if you guys don't want my opinion, some YouTube editor for Fightfast. I've edited a lot of videos for them, so I watch this stuff constantly. But who wants my opinions? If you guys want real opinions, real breakdowns, real techniques, real tips, right in the description, we got a link for free fight enders. Go check it out. We also now got a Fightfast group, a private group on Facebook. Go check that out. Go join the group. And, there'll be everybody in there. We're making a community. Just like I always tell you guys, go comment in the comments what you see on this video, on this street fight video. Tell us what you would do. Tell us what the guy in the red hat should have did, what the guy in the polo should have did. Why? Because we're building up a community. But now we got another place for that Facebook group. The link's in the description. Go check us out and let us know what you guys thought they should have did in this video. I'll see you guys next time.